Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix notifications not showing up on your Black Shark Pad 7 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up the settings. Here in the settings, we want to go to notifications, and here you have app notifications. So you want to make sure that you have the notifications allowed on the app. As you guys can see here, you cannot see it because it's the OS issue, but once you click it, you have an option. We can click on all apps, and here, for example, if you want to receive calendar notifications, if it's gray, then that's why you're not receiving them. You need to make sure that it is enabled. And the same goes, for example, for Gmail and much more, like Google TV, Keep Notes, Maps, and a lot more. So as you guys can see, I can turn off the messages notifications. Now you won't be getting them, and that's basically one of the reasons why your notifications may not be showing up. Now once you change it, you can go over, and here in the bottom you have the general and do not disturb. As you guys can see, here some people can interrupt, and it's basically start contacts and priority conversations, and start contacts and repeat callers. So here you can turn off do not disturb. You will receive every single notification and you will see it on your screen. It won't be hidden in notification center or nothing like that. You will see it. And of course, if you have it enabled, then that's also an issue why your notifications are not showing up. Now what you guys want to do as a last resort is scroll down to system. Here in system, scroll down to system updates and click check for update. It is checking for updates. You wait for the verdict, and my system is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating, since it can fix a lot of bugs, including your notifications not showing up. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.